Toby and I came up to Steinhatchee to get the fifth wheel and get it out of the area, since that Idalia storm is now a Cat 3 coming in, supposedly. Will be a Cat 3. And thought 120 mile per hour winds might be a little much for the fifth wheel, so we're going to come get it, probably tow it home. We'll decide in the morning exactly what we're going to do. And off to the east on the property here, we have a beautiful light show for us tonight. It's absolutely gorgeous. Say hi, Toby.
Hi, Toby. Having a nice cigar. Our city's getting rain.
Yep.
That's what all that lightning is.
Yep.